Okay, everyone, good morning. How are you all? I am fine. So, it's the start of our new week. So, today's topic, as you can see on your screen, it is horizontal addition. See, horizontal addition. Horizontal, we all know, which is, in sleeping line. And what we have already done vertical addition. I'll just give you a recap of vertical addition. Do you remember? Wherein we wrote the places like this. Suppose the number 4016 plus 1293. So these are the numbers. This is vertical addition, where we are putting the numbers, arranging the numbers, two numbers, the addends in a vertical format. Now today we have to start with our horizontal addition. Now horizontal addition, I'll just start with a sum. Just let me write down the question first, and then you will understand what it is about. So we have written, oh, there's some error. It is th, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so now if you can see, now I have written the places. All of us know that first we add two addends and then we get the total. So in horizontal, suppose my number is 3612, that is 3612 plus, since it is addition, so this is the addition sign, then 1052 and then equals to. So this is the format for your horizontal addition. In the examination also, in the worksheet also, and in the book also, the exercises are like this only, wherein you have been given the places. There will be two addends with addition sign, and equals to. Equals to means what is the total when we add these two numbers. And do you remember, in my earlier videos I have told you that left side and right side of equals to, these should be equal. So adding these two must be equal to its total, right? Okay, let's move further. So now here, how to go about with horizontal addition with 4 digit. We know that we start the addition from ones place. So in horizontal addition also we will go one by one. So first adding my ones place digits. So here I have 2, and in another addend I have 2. So I will add 2 plus 2, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. I have 2 and I want to add 2. So 3, 4. Right? So, or otherwise in the sections you have 1, 2 and you need to add 2, 1, 2. And orally, it must be done orally as well. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Since it is of ones place, I will go directly to ones place, और मुझे कहीं नहीं देखना है. I will move directly towards one place and write down 4 over here. Right? Now jumping on to our next place, that is tens. Now here tens I have 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 is easy, yes, 6. Now here hundreds place, so I have 6 and 0. So remember, whatever number we add to 0, we get the same number itself. So fatafat se we wrote 6 without looking any further. Now next we have 3 and 1 in thousands place. So 3 plus 1, 4. Exactly the way you are thinking, it's so easy, right? It's damn easy. But here now, since this sum was without carryover, let me just give you an example with carryover. With carryover, I will just teach you the way I want my students to do, that is orally. We will practice I know that before, when we start initially, it's going to take a lot of time. You might get wrong answers, but eventually after practice, it will be very good for the, for solving future sums. You will gain speed. And since you are a abacus, you are doing abacus also at the same time. So let's, try. We will try. So I'll give you these sums, that is 4784 plus 1926, right? So let's get started with this sum which has carryover. Okay, let's listen. If you are not able to remember the carryover, you may write. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to remember only. Okay, I am just asking you to try. Okay, let's move forward. So starting with our ones place, so it is 4 plus 6. Now 4 plus 6, see, you have to do it orally, otherwise you can do with the fingers or sections of your fingers, right? So 6 plus 4 is 10. So now since 10 is there, so we know it is written as 1 0, so we write 0 over here, right, and 1 carry over to 10's place. Now remember kids, if you want to write the carryover, you either write it over here or here. Okay, just don't write on both the addends, just write over at one place. I have written carryover over here. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10. I have 0 here and 1 carryover. Now my tens place value tens place numbers are 8 and 2. So 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. It's 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11, 1 over here and 1 carryover. Remember, every time whenever you are writing the carryover, just circle them please. Okay. So next I have 7 and 9. So 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Again 1 carryover. I am going a bit fast on addition since you know how to add. I just want you to make clear the process of horizontal addition. So I am going a bit fast with the addition of digits. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So I get the answer over here like this. Okay. This is the only example that I am going to do. Rest, I have given you the assignment. You need to practice it thoroughly and practice without writing carryovers first. Let's see, you will do your best. Okay. Bye.